Okay, so we're heading into the middle of the year and Platinum are doing it in Platinum style. We have got loads of new stuff happening and here's some of it. On the 23rd, we've got our free masterclass. On 23rd of May, log yourself in, start your property education right now. And it's going to be a fantastic webinar. On the 8th of June, we have got a really professional tax advisor coming in live to our HQ, and we're going to be running with Brendan Allen and Phil O'Connor for the day. Make sure you're in for that one. It's brilliant workshop. On the 9th of June, which is the following day, we've got Platinum's renowned Jumpstart morning live here in our HQ. You can come to our HQ and start to get your property education up and running. On the 18th of June, we have got Platinum University kicking off. This is where I deliver this course. It's a fantastic course and it's going to give you tons and tons of knowledge in the property space. So go ahead, click the link in the bio and I hope to see you there.